So it's Texas Torque and DiscoBots for the red. So now red, are you ready? Blue, are you ready? Blue, you need to win this one or you go home. Okay, autonomous in 3, 2, 1, go. Blue making their way across the field, 2587S. And that should do for the autonomous. No points. So we start off at 0. Drivers, go. Huh? Then blue wins autonomous with 2 points. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Texas Torque putting a cone on one of the mobile bases. And DiscoBots X has not moved yet. Texas Torque trying to put a second cone on. And they do. DiscoBot S has put a second cone on their base. Texas Torque now moving and pushing their base over for 5, and the 2 cones on top with 68 seconds left to go. Now 2587X is moving. And they put it in the 10-point zone. They also pick up the base at 1477 is left with them. They're trying to work their way all the way to the back, it looks like, but no, they drop it. And now it's dead. 36 seconds to go in this match. Red already has one win. One more will take it for them. They have the lead. They got 2 10-point mobile goals scored. Blue still had the autonomous. 17 seconds left. A third goal for red. That might do it for them. 7 seconds to go. Blue pushes one into the 5-point, but that's not going to be enough. So it looks like red may be advancing on. We'll wait for the score on that to see if that is official. Now we go back to 1v8. 1-1, the first one, 94-5. They need to win this one again, and they will become our second semifinalist.